Printers allow the ability to print copies of documents or pictures on the paper from a computer. There are several different ways that a computer can connect to a printer. The most common way is by using a USB or parallel cable. This is called as a local connection, because the printer is directly connected to the computer. Other way of connection. Or you can also connect a printer through a network if the printer has a network interface such as an Ethernet port, or a wireless antenna. These are known as network printers. Network printers are convenient because the printer can be placed anywhere in a home or office, as long as it's connected to the network. Another method of connecting is through a network share. For example, you can allow other computers that are on your network connect to your local printer by sharing your printer or with the network. So after the printer share setup is complete, the other computers can now print to the printer that is connected to your computer. So your computer basically acts as a gateway for other computers to access your printer. But the drawback is that your computer has to on in order for others to use your printer. Printers. There are several different types of printers. There are non-impact printers and impact printers. Non-impact printers. Printers print without striking ink ribbon onto paper. These include laser, inkjet, thermal. Impact printers. Impact printers are dot matrix printers. Inkjet printer. Inkjet printers are the most common printers that are used for home use. An inkjet printer works by the print head moving back and forth across the paper during printing. During this process, the print head places the ink on the paper in very tiny dots. In fact, these dots are so tiny they are smaller in diameter than a human hair. And as these dots are precisely placed, they form to create an image on paper. Inkjet printers typically come with two ink cartridges. One is for color. One is for black. Inkjet printers are more affordable than laser printers, and they can produce photo quality results, but one of the drawbacks is that the ink from the inkjet printer may smudge, while ink from a laser printer does not smudge. Laser printer. The next printer is laser printer. Laser printers come in different sizes from personal ones to larger ones for businesses. Laser printers provide the highest quality print available today, and they are most expensive. And laser printer basically works by placing an electric charge on a rotating drum. Then in lasers this charges a lower electrical charge on the drum. So basically the laser draws the image that is going to be printed on the drum itself. Then the drum is coated with a fine black powder known as toner. And as the drum is being coated, the toner only clings to the areas where the laser has drawn. Then as the paper goes through the printer, the toner is placed on the paper. And the result is a high quality print that is second to none. Thermal printer. Another non-impact printer is called a thermal printer. Thermal printers print by using heat. Thermal printers use special print paper called thermal paper. And honest thermal paper is wax-based ink. And when heat is applied to this ink, it turns black. So when a thermal printer, the only thing to print does is applied heat to the areas with ink should be placed. Then when the ink is cooled, it becomes permanent. And because of this technology, thermal printers were required. Thermal printers are commonly used for printing labels and barcodes. Dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printers are almost non-existent today. They are old technology that produces mediocre print quality when compared to laser or inkjet printers. And they are also very noisy. Dot matrix printers are impact printers. The print head in a dot matrix printer moves across the paper, and as it moves, the pins on the print head strike against a cloth ink ribbon, which then comes in direct contact with the paper, producing each character in the form of dots. But despite being outdated technology, dot matrix printers can print multi-copy documents such as carbon copies. They are also very durable and last a long time. Like, share, subscribe to Smart Cherry.